Good morning. Here we are in Arlington Heights where we're doing a fireplace stone installation facing. Originally had a brick install fireplace facing, and we are doing stone today. And our mason, as you can see, he's doing a fine job on it. It's going to have the arch roll-lock above the fireplace, and it's going to have a curve on it. As you can see, we have our pattern here on the wall. What it's going to look like when we're finished. Here's what our design is going to look like. I can zoom in on it. It's going to have a slight curve. We're 6 feet on the bottom. It's going to have a raised hearth. It's going to have a wooden mantle. It's just a distressed beam right here in the center. Right here in the center. And we're going to have a soldier course, a little roll-lock course on top of stone. And it's going to be 4'6" tall, wide on the top, with a slight curve on the arch on it on each side. And we're all done. We've kind of traced it out on the wall. It's going to be a little higher than our trace mark. I'll walk back here a little bit so you can see it. And our masons did a fine job on it this morning. And it's looking really good. So thanks for watching our video, and check back again next week when we have it all finished up. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.